In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wise customer support in a few straightforward steps designed for the year 2025. Whether you're facing technical issues, have questions about your transactions, or just need some guidance, reaching out to the Wise customer support team is easy and efficient, so let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open up the Wise app. If you prefer, you can also use their website. Both platforms offer a seamless experience, making it easy to connect with support. Once you've accessed your account, look toward the upper left corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon sitting there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. In this drop-down, you'll find the Help button. Give that a tap. The Help section is a comprehensive hub designed to assist users in finding quick solutions to common questions or issues they might encounter. It's a good idea to explore this section first, as it may provide instant solutions without the need for further contact. For more specific problems, you'll want to describe your issue or use the search bar to ask your question. Wise has tailored this feature to allow users to find relevant articles and advice pertaining to their query, effectively saving you time. As you scroll down within this section, you'll notice the Contact Us option. Tap this when you're ready to move forward with reaching out directly to the support team. Now it's time to detail what exactly you need help with. Be clear and concise about your issue, as this will help guide you to the right resources or representatives. If the categories presented don't align with your situation, tap on Something Else. This broad option ensures you're not confined to preset categories, allowing you to explain your unique issue more thoroughly. Once you've detailed your concern, there are multiple ways to connect with a Wise representative. You can opt for a chat, an email, or a phone call. Each method has its own benefits. Chatting provides real-time interaction with potentially immediate solutions. Emailing is great for detailed explanations and records, while calling allows for a personal touch and potentially quicker problem solving. Remember, the Wise customer support team is there to assist, so don't hesitate to explain your issue as clearly as possible. This will ensure they can assist you effectively and expedite the resolution process. And just like that, you're on your way to getting the help you need. By following these steps, you will have access to Wise's dedicated support team, ensuring your experience remains smooth and worry-free. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to reach out to Wise support whenever you need assistance, and feel free to share this video with others who might need it too. Stay wise.